Good morning students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting with chapter 5, that is helping verb. So for that we have to know that what is verb. Verb are action words. They expresses a physical action such as jump and or laugh, or a mental action such as think and dream. So what is verb? Verbs are words that show something happening, doing or exists. Verbs are of two types. For example, action verb, auxiliary verb or helping verb. Action verb. What is action verb? A verb that expresses a physical action such as jump or laugh, or a mental action such as think or dream. So when we say that the boy jumped from the bench, so this is action. That means the boy is jumping. With this is our body is engaged with that. And mental action, that we are thinking, dreaming. These things are also called action verbs. So action verbs are also two types, one physical action and mental action. So a verb that expresses the physical action or mental action is called action verb. Next comes, we are coming to the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are called helping verbs. Why? Why auxiliary verbs are called helping verbs? Because they may be said to help the main verb which comes after them. Rama is riding a horse. Rita was at the seaside last summer vacation. Okay, like this. For example, the boy is writing a letter. The auxiliary verb is helps the main verb writing by specifying that the action denotes is still in progress. Here is a chart I have given. There are number of helping verbs. We put them into 6 families. Number 1, be family or be verbs. Am, is, are, be, being we use in present tense, and was, were, been we use in past tense. Have family or have verbs. Has, have we use in present tense. Had we use in past tense. Do family or do verb. Do, does present tense. Did past tense. Can family, can verb, can present tense, could past tense. Shall family or shall verb. Shall, should. Shall in present tense, should in past tense. Will family, will in present tense and would in past tense. Now this exercise you have to write in copy. Underline the words that are not in grammar copy. We will write in grammar copy. Underline the words that are not helping verbs in each row. Can, shall, say, will. Say is an action verb, so we have to underline it. Where, at, being, be. At is a preposition. Do, did, shall, done. Done is the past participle form of do, when do is a action verb. Next is has, had, on, could. On is a preposition. Do, am, have, eat. Eat is a pronoun. So you have to do it in the copy. Underline the helping verbs in the sentences. And number 3, write PR for present time or and PA for past time. 2 and 3 I have done together. In book there are 2 questions. You will see. I am visiting my uncle. Now am visiting is showing the present tense. My cousins have come with us. So number B, we are going for a picnic in his car. Are going, are is showing here as a present tense. My cousins have come with us, have present tense. My aunt was not coming with us, was, that is past tense. We are overjoyed that we could convince her to come. So are is showing present tense and could is showing past tense. So you have to do it in the copy up to here, and then is the home assignment. Do in book. This do in copy do today, and do in book you will do tomorrow. Then it will be a good practice and it will help you to learn. Okay? So till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time. This is a part 1 of helping verb. Next part we will give next day. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.